Hey loves, welcome back to another fashion designer lifestyle video. I am your host, Kiamber Nicole, and today we are getting into so much. Okay, today's video may be overly stimulated for some of those who are very organized and just love or they're OCD, because I'm telling you, I have a lot to update you guys on, and this video is about to be packed with so much things that I have done over the course of 2 weeks. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the video, because I'm not going to do too much of rambling. Of course, y'all know I'm a thrifter. I love thrifting. So I have a thrift haul for you guys. So we're going to get into that. And then I also want to show you guys some of the patterns that I will be sewing over the course of this season from, I'll say the last 3 months of this year. And so we're going to start with the sewing plans and all of the patterns that I will be using over the course of this season, which are going to be tutorials on this channel. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I promise you, we're going to get through it. I'm going to hold your hand throughout this tutorial. And also, after the tutorials, after we do the tutorials, we're going to style the pieces that we made. Isn't that exciting? So the first piece, or the first pattern that I have, is this butterwick pattern that is R11125. It is this nice blazer. Hold on, wait. It is this nice blazer. I've already used this pattern before because I did a custom order using this pattern. So we're going to test it out, and we're going to use some nice suede material. I'm going to pop a picture of the material that I'm thinking about using for this project. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. It's a nice blazer. You can also, let's see where, okay, so the fabrics they are recommending is wool flannel, tweed, velvet, corduroy, brocade, and then for the lining they are recommending maybe like satin and lining fabrics. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. I can't wait to use this pattern, because I feel like the suede, when I tell you that suede is gonna eat with this pattern, yes, it is for sure. The next one I have is this McCall's pattern M8046, which we're going to be doing the jumpsuit, as you can see here. There we go. This jumpsuit here, McCall's M8046. And when I tell y'all, I feel like first of all, we're going to make some adjustments to this pattern, to be honest. I love the silhouettes. I love the whole concept of this jumpsuit, but honestly, I feel like me personally, I love to have pieces that can actually be, multifaceted and can be worn in multiple ways. So I know that I want this to be maybe like a wide leg bell bottom situation where I put buckles. Since we will have a buckle belt, I will do buckles on the ankle, which I have been wanting to do. I actually wanted to do this last year, but I didn't have time to do it, so we didn't get to it. So yeah, they are recommending twill linen cotton blend denim for this, no lining. Okay, so for the next one, we have Simplicity 8418, which is this bomber jacket pattern. Girl, I'm super excited, because guess what? I'm doing another suede look, but it's going to be like oh my gosh, it's going to be not patchwork, but it's going to be like a contrasting suede bomber jacket. I'm super excited about it, because I have the vision and I can't wait to bring it to life. Okay. And then, so the next pattern we have is B6720, which is Ooh, hold on. This cute girl, I mean, gorgeous. It's like a trench coat, but I think that it has to be another name for it. But I don't see it on here, but I'm pretty sure it's like kind of on the trench side. And they are recommending wool blends, tweeds, gabardine, poplin, and mohair. Ooh, mohair will be gorgeous with this. I still don't know. I actually want to use faux fur, and I may just do pattern A because I have some faux fur, but I wanted to use I wanted to make a jacket with a detachable collar. So I don't know. This may be. I don't know what fabric I'm gonna use for this one just yet, and which color, but it's a very easy pattern, very nice. I'm gonna use pattern C, but I'm gonna make the coats longer. What's the difference? I don't see a difference between C and B, to be honest. Oh, the length. No. I guess maybe it's the length. Yeah, it is the length. So it's a midi, maxi, and a mini. Okay, and so for the last pattern we have is this Vogue V1430, which is the shawl that I have on right now. I wanted something that's drapey. I wanted some, like, with this fabric that I found from thrifting. I was like, man, something nice and drapey will go good with this. And like for my wardrobe this season, I wanted to just really create essential pieces and pieces that I know that I would just gravitate to, like, you know, without a doubt. So I wanted to go more so with like simple pieces. Like I can wear this cardigan to the grocery store, running errands when it's a cool day, you know, like a cool morning and the sun comes out maybe a little bit later, and then later on that night it'll become cool again. So I feel like this is nice for that, or it's nice for places where you go where it's, you know, it's a little chilly, like to the grocery store, you know, girl, in the deli section, girl, you be cold, you be shivering. So the fabric that today recommended for this pattern is drapey silks, rayon, lightweight wool, linen blends, also border prints, modern stretch knits, wool double knits, punty knits. So yeah, that is the end of what I want to make and the tutorials that I want to do for, you know, this season or whatever. So let's get on to what I got from the thrift store. I'm super excited to show y'all, so stay tuned. Okay, so let's get into the haul. So the first item I have is this cute knit sweater, beautiful purple color, lavender, periwinkle, kind of, sort of, I don't know. I would say lavender, to be honest. And it was brand new. I've already worn it, so that's why the tag is not on. But this is a brand new knit sweater. Love it. It's cropped a little bit, but you know, it's very, very comfortable, very soft. Like, I don't feel like I will be itchy in it. And I love how they played around with the sweater and kind of like showed the seams. Like the seams are actually revealing on the sweater. So yeah, that's the first item. Next item I have is some skinny jeans. Girl, don't come for me. Okay, do not come for me because I need essentials. Okay, I am not about to throw away my skinny jeans. I am gonna still collect my skinny jeans because I feel like skinny jeans look better with certain outfits, and wide leg baggy jeans don't look good with everything. So yeah, and look, like I said, y'all, on this channel, babes, wear what you want. Okay, wear what you want. Do not allow Do not allow these fashion trends to overly consume you, because girl, everything is recurring and they're coming back to back to back to back. So I have my cute skinny jeans here. Hold on, wait. Girl, I need both hands. Let me try to put my mic here. Hopefully you guys can hear me well and we don't have any audio issues. Okay, so the first one I have is these No Bound jeans, which you guys see the tag is still on. They're brand new and they are super high rise and they have cutouts at the knees. Cute. Love the way they fit on me. Love the way they look with certain looks and certain outfits. We'll be using that in the later in the video. Next item I have is some Wale jeans, which are, it says just palazzo pants with, the Loft is by Loft. And they are just some high-rise palazzo pants with a cute little tie here. So you can just, play around with it, make it cute. They are light washed. Love that. I'm going to get my cost per wear out of those. I'm telling you. And it's so crazy, y'all. I'm just so grateful that I'm able to find the new stuff from the thrift store with the tag still on them at good quality and a good price. Girl, you can't beat that. And then, so this top was from Ross, which was $21 originally. I don't know how much I paid for it, but $6. A cute wine color collar shirt. Oh, hold on, wait, let me show you. I tried it on already, but you guys will see in the cutaway of how it looks on me. This is so gorgeous. I thought it was so unique and it will go so well with a lot of my pencil skirts, maxi skirts, and even jeans. I think this is so cute. It can also be layered with something on top. I think this is so gorgeous. Gorgeous with a vest or... And it... what material? Oh, this is... Girl, I thought it was UPS or FedEx, whatever. I'm waiting on my lighting. I couldn't wait that long because I was like, look, I gotta film this video. We gotta get started. But anyway, this is organza mixed with some type of knit. So cute. Love it. Like I said, I'm trying to incorporate more essential pieces because let me tell you, when I be designing stuff, y'all, I be making so many statement outfits and statement pieces, and I'm like, girl, I'm not wearing this on the daily. So that is why I kind of thrift more often, or I thrift and make my clothes, because I try to, get more essential pieces from the thrift store or the thrift shops. And so this next piece is just a little light sweater. It is about to start getting cold, but it hasn't really got chilly here. Just only in the mornings. The mornings is a little bit crisp, but once maybe 9, 10 o'clock hit, girl, the sun is out. It's a little toasty. But we're moving into October, so it's gonna get cool. So I got this cute little jacket, light little jacket that I'll be wearing when I'm taking Duchess on a walk, or we're going to the park in the morning, or just to have. Okay, so the next item I have is this Calvin Klein crop high neck Lord Jesus, waffle knit top. Brand new, which is crazy, but you know what? The pricing on here says 99 cents. The price on here says 99 cents, y'all. But I love it. I love this pretty color. This is definitely giving rose pink. And the hardware finishing on here is a vintage or rusted silver. I love that. Now, you know, I've been in my silver bag, okay, lately. I got this for $6.24. They upcharged me on that one. Next item I have is this nice, beautiful suit. And I think this is so gorgeous. Brand new as well. Still have the tag on it. I paid $11.24 for it. The original price is $100. Nice suit. It is a brown suit lined with or like trimmed out with this beautiful baby blue color. I think it's so gorgeous. I think that these two contrasting colors are unpredictable but go so well together. So for the next item I have, girl, let me give y'all a little story time on this one, y'all. With these here, okay, I got these for $5.99. They look like they have not been worn, like they are brand new. And girl, look, you can't even see it, but these are Bottega, girl. I was just about to leave the thrift store. I was like, man, I don't see anything. I'm about to go. But I was like, let me just go over to the shoes just to see, you know, just browse around. It was a lady coming out with a box. And I just seen fur peeking out of the box. And I was like, hold on, wait, let me see. Excuse me, ma'am, can I see these? And I picked them up and I said, oh my goodness, these are so cute. And then when I looked at it, I was like, Bottega Veneta. What are these on here? I grabbed these so quick. I tried them on first because I was like, let me make sure I can wear them. They are a size 40 and it looks like they run very, very small in these shoes. I am a 38. I can wear them perfectly. So I'm like, I think they run small is the reason why maybe someone who had them threw them out, or not threw them out, but gave them away, or just something about the shoes that they didn't like. Girl, I said whoever had these shoes is a person who loves to spend their money and don't care if they waste them. Because what? You was that pissed off that you was like, girl, I'm gonna just give these away to the thrift store. I'm not even gonna take these shoes back and get my money back. So gorgeous. But they didn't come with the box or anything. They were just, yeah. They just came just like these. It may have been a box. Who knows? But you know, when Goodwill put the shoes out, they put them out regularly, so they may have came with a box, may not, but I'm so happy that I got them. Even if they were not Bottega, I would have got them because the style of the shoe. I'm very much of a statement shoe girl. Like, I love things that could be I love things that can be a conversation starter or pieces, because I'm very like, I don't know, I'm antisocial and I'm trying to get out of it. But I love to, that's why I wear like things that are like a statement or things that just can start a conversation, just like these shoes. Absolutely love them. Okay, so this concludes my Goodwill haul. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I hope that you guys stay tuned and continue watching, because we will be doing a lot of tutorials and I'll be showing you guys how to style the pieces that you made. And also we'll be doing more styling videos with the pieces that I got from Goodwill. And I'll be showing you guys how you can look good without breaking the bank. Okay, I pray that you guys be blessed. You guys have a wonderful and prosperous day. May God bless you, your family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Be a light. Let me tell you something. Look, y'all know I always got to say something at the end and give you guys some encouragement and a devotion. But I pray that you guys be well and you continue to be in good health. And I pray that God blesses you and your family. And y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. God bless you.